cool. Hello, my dear students. Today is February 27, 2018. And we're going to do our first meeting regarding grammar, and also we are going to do our English club interaction. So first of all, we're going to identify some topics that it is important for you to know, okay? Are you ready? Okay, so
where's my smartphone?
Okay, so basically I need you to take into account that you have to take notes, okay? Maybe something is new because you think that you know everything and you don't know everything, okay? So first, be attentive, take notes, ask questions in the chat place, or if you have questions, you have to write down the questions. Take partners, I'm sorry about the phone numbers to help yourself, okay? Maybe you want to, actually you have also numbers because you are in the English course WhatsApp, okay? The first thing we are going to do is to introduce ourselves, so to know a little bit about you, and then we're going to know about some topics that it is important to take into account. It is the first unit. And the idea is to recognize grammar, to recognize vocabulary, and to recognize strategies to be able to keep, to understand, to memorize and understand vocabulary and grammar. And finally, actually, I wanted you to do a sort of quiz so that I can know how you are in terms of knowing the first unit knowledge. But anyways, don't worry. If you have questions, remember, you can write. These expressions are extremely important. The expressions to be able to communicate. Expressions like, I don't understand, can you repeat it please, can you speak slowly, I don't know what to do, I'm confused. Teacher, I'm confused, I'm sorry, can you repeat that please? Can I go to the bathroom? I'm gonna go to the bathroom. All these expressions are important. So you're gonna have these slides published in the web, so that you can take them into account, or you can look for other ones, okay? But it is not to speak Spanish because, actually this is an English speaking course. And two, if you want to swim, you need to swim. If you want to speak, you need to speak. That's it. Doesn't matter if you are embarrassed, if you are afraid, it doesn't matter. You need to overcome these weaknesses, alright? Clear? Abigail Miller?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
I have a question. How can I use it? What does, I don't know, road man, I'm sorry, how do you pronounce car? It means that. And some commands, those are like, the difference between commands and expressions is like a commands are like tasks. Open your books on page, listen up, do homework on time, you see? So that like commitments, like something like that. Memorize your code, study at least 30-40 minutes per day using timetables, chronograms, and schedules. Watch home videos periodically. Alright, so important. It is your responsibility to memorize them. It's your responsibility to improve the pronunciation of this one. How? Remember, you can use Google. You can use Google account. You can use Google Translator, not for translating, but for identify the pronunciation of words or sentences. Alright? Clear? Okay, the first thing that we need to take into account is that there are important places that you can go to the internet. In internet, you find everything. The idea is to know what to find, what to look for, what to search. Okay? So it is an example. It is an example of what you need to take, one of the pages that you can look for to be able to find expressions, commands, and different things. However, I help you with it. It is not so clear. It's a little bit, it is not well seen. But you can see it in here. Hi, Andreita, how are you?
Fine, thank you. And you?
Fine, thank you. I'm working hard. Okay, the website organization is very important. You see, this is how I am going to write the dates of your performance from unit 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is the first level. All right? You can see it better in here. If I go there, if I go this place, wait a minute. If I go this place, this is where I compile, where I keep all the, but it doesn't open. No, it doesn't open because we are recording. It is the way how I organize the grades. All right, here I can see you with the real drive. I can see you with the real drive because I can open it. But anyways, you're gonna see it. Here it is an example of how I record the drives. How many drives do you have? How many links do you have? Links, drives.
Okay.
I'm asking a question. How many drives do you have? How many?
Excuse me, how many?
Drives, links, drives. Look, pay attention. Do you have headphones?
Yeah.
Don't worry, sometimes it happens. It happens. Look.
Okay.
Look, those are the drives you have. You have reflective journal drive, Pictionary drive, speaking drive, writing drive, reading drive, listening drive, English speaking club drive, voluntary work drive. So you have many drives. And in here, we're gonna add 2, which is the book drive, the workbook drive, and the notebook drive. So 3 more. So you have 2, 4, 6, 8, plus 3, 11 drives. So it is very important that you get organized, okay?
Excuse me, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, tell me.
I can't see you. I can watch you.
But can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you see the screen?
No. I am watching to Abigail.
Okay. Don't know.